We think our strategy of providing the best product at a competitive price is going to be a winner, and this is the reason we're still focused on bringing cheaper models to market soon. The start of production is still planned for June. Yes, that promise has finally come to fruition. The Model 2 is officially launching at an unbeatable price under $10,979 within the next 2 weeks. And now, fresh leaked spy photos from Giga Texas have surfaced showing a camouflage prototype that many believe offers our first close-up glimpse of the Tesla Model 2. And you have to be able to make a large number of them at an affordable price. This is what we can do. We have the only company with all the ingredients for making, at long last, this budget-friendly car has been named, and Elon Musk is confident it will serve as Tesla's ace in the hole throughout 2025 and beyond, pulling the company out of its current crisis. So what does the Tesla Model 2 actually look like? How do we order one? And most importantly, why is Tesla's master plan for 2025 and 2026 poised to change our lives forever? Welcome to Tesla Car World. We'll be launching unsupervised autonomy, basically self-driving cars with no one in them, in Austin next month. So it's a big year for sure. Many other things are in the works too. The latest high-resolution images emerging from Gigafactory Texas have delivered undeniable proof that Tesla's long-awaited affordable electric car is finally real. Veteran Tesla watcher and drone operator Joe Tetmeyer captured footage of a heavily camouflaged test mule speeding along Giga Texas's private track. This prototype was conspicuous for its compact footprint, noticeably smaller than the adjacent Model Y, and for its missing body panels and roof, a clear sign that Tesla is in the final stages of engineering validation for its next-generation platform. Remarkably, a nearly identical vehicle was spotted at the Fremont factory in April 2025, reinforcing the conclusion that these test cars are more than another iteration of the Model Y, they are the imminent Model 2. How soon can you own a Tesla Model 2? Elon Musk has sent shock waves through the automotive world by confirming that the much-anticipated Tesla Model 2 will make its official debut in June 2025. Just 2 weeks from today. This announcement marks the culmination of years of rumors, Reddit leaks, and blurry spy shots, and it finally settles the question on every budget-conscious American driver's mind. When can you actually get behind the wheel of the Model 2? Internal logistics sources within Tesla indicate that a global launch event is slated for late June, with the first customer deliveries scheduled for December 2025, when an initial production run of 1,850 vehicles will arrive at Tesla's delivery centers in California. Musk himself emphasized during Tesla's most recent earnings call that the company remains laser-focused on bringing new models to market at the lowest possible price, and he even joked that Tesla engineers would sleep sigh on the production line to hit the June production start date that was originally promised. Tesla's roadmap for 2025 to 2026 is equally bold. Reservations for the Model 2 are expected to open in late fourth quarter 2025, likely November or December, with a refundable $250 to $500 deposit securing early delivery slots. Analysts predict over 500,000 pre-orders within weeks, driven by Tesla's brand appeal, the Model 2's breakthrough price point, and the lure of federal and state incentives. Should production ramp as planned, limited deliveries could begin in December 2025, with broad U.S. rollout through mid-2026 and rural availability extending into early 2027. The real game-changer arrives in the second quarter of 2026 when Tesla deploys the Robotaxi variant in major urban centers. Supported by Starlink connectivity and Tesla's Dojo-powered autonomy, the Model 2 will anchor Tesla Network V1, the company's first end-to-end autonomous transport ecosystem. Production of this compact hatchback will occur at Gigafactory Texas and at the brand-new Gigafactory Mexico, which is being built specifically to churn out low-cost EVs. According to Tesla's own documentation, these facilities will leverage advanced gigacasting machinery and the revolutionary unbox process, a modular assembly approach that reduces over 400 individual parts to fewer than 20, cuts production time by up to 40%, and saves roughly $1,000 per vehicle. By mid-2027, Tesla aims to be building 1 million Model 2 units per year across its U.S. factories, with Texas alone initially producing 10,000 cars per week, enough to deliver nearly 500,000 in the first year and scaling up to 1 million shortly thereafter. All of this U.S.-based manufacturing confers a powerful competitive advantage. With the Inflation Reduction Act's $7,500 federal EV tax credit now fully applicable, the Model 2 sub-$10,979 purchase price becomes even more compelling to American buyers. Moreover, by avoiding the 100% tariffs recently imposed on Chinese-built EVs and the 25% duties on imported lithium-ion batteries, Tesla sidesteps thousands of dollars in extra costs per vehicle, savings that are directly passed on to consumers. And then with regard to cell manufacturing, we think we're making the most efficient cell in the world, meaning the lowest cost per kilowatt-hour cell, which is really pretty good. There are entire companies that all they do is make lithium-ion battery cells, and for us that's one of many things that we do. How can a $10,979 EV meet real-world needs? Tesla's decision to equip the Model 2 with a long-range, cost-effective battery pack is at the heart of its promise to deliver 350 miles of real-world driving on a single charge, all while carrying a sticker price of just $10,979. Rather than relying on the expensive 4680 cells that Tesla reserves for Cybertruck and semi-production, the Model 2 embraces a 53 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate (LFP) pack sourced from CATL cells that offer greater safety, longer cycle life, and significantly lower cost. Despite their budget-friendly origins, these next-generation LFP batteries boast improved energy density over earlier LFP chemistry, allowing them to store more energy in a compact format and shave weight off the vehicle. The result is a driving range that eclipses virtually every competitor at the same price point, ensuring that a hatchback costing under $11,000 can still carry families, commuters, and road trippers well beyond 300 miles between charges. While some enthusiasts may scoff at the notion of a cheap Tesla battery, the Model 2's LFP pack delivers more than just an entry-level solution. In controlled testing, CATL formula has demonstrated the ability to charge up to 80% in roughly 10 minutes, though in real-world conditions, a more conservative 20-minute fast charge estimate is still a revelation for a car under $25,000. When considering that many EVs in this segment require half an hour or more to reach a comparable state of charge, the Model 2's rapid replenishment capability alone reshapes expectations. Such impressive charging performance is coupled with the inherent safety of LFP chemistry, which resists thermal runaway and offers stable operation across extreme temperatures. Whether tackling scorching summer highways or frigid winter roads, drivers can count on consistent performance without the risk of fire or accelerated battery degradation. Cost containment for the Model 2 goes well beyond the battery chemistry itself. By trimming unnecessary features, sharing components with the Model 3 and Model Y, and deploying Tesla's revolutionary gigacasting techniques, the automaker has slashed manufacturing complexity and material costs. The 53 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which normally represents nearly half the cost of an EV, becomes an affordable small battery with a big impact, thanks to streamlined production lines at Gigafactory Nevada, where CATL machinery now operates alongside Tesla cells, reducing reliance on imports and qualifying the vehicle for up to $7,500 in federal tax credits. Those credits hinge on domestic assembly of at least half the battery components and the use of recycled or locally mined critical minerals, but achieving them could knock the effective purchase price down to $7,500, or even lower once state incentives are applied. Even before incentives, the base $10,979 retail price positions the Model 2 as the most financially accessible Tesla ever created. Its slender profile measures under 4 meters in length, shrinking the footprint by nearly half a meter compared to the Model 3 and yielding a curb weight some 30% lighter. This featherweight chassis not only improves handling and agility in tight urban environments but also contributes directly to the extraordinary 350-mile range, as less mass translates to reduced energy consumption at highway speeds. A standard single-motor rear-drive variant will cater to cost-conscious buyers, while an optional dual-motor all-wheel drive model promises brisk acceleration and enhanced traction, though both will deliver the same headline-grabbing range thanks to the optimized battery and efficient powertrain control. Performance metrics for the Model 2 underscore its value proposition. Even the entry-level version will sprint from 0 to 60 in approximately 6.5 seconds, quicker than many gasoline compact sedans, while the all-wheel drive variant pushes that number below 5 seconds, rivaling far more expensive sports cars. This is achieved without resorting to exotic materials or over-engineering. Instead, Tesla's engineers have leaned on proven electric drivetrain components, a minimalist cockpit anchored by a 15.7-inch touchscreen, and a modular assembly philosophy that strips away superfluous adornments. Inside, the cabin is bathed in natural light courtesy of a panoramic roof, and an ambient LED lighting system lets occupants dial in one of 16 customizable hues that sync with climate control or time of day. Advanced seats adapt automatically to the driver's posture, and an all-around suite of cameras, sensors, and radar hardware, standard full self-driving kit, ensures that both autopilot and future self-driving updates are at the owner's fingertips. Tesla's global manufacturing footprint is poised to support millions of Model 2 deliveries annually. Gigafactory Texas will spearhead production in mid-2025 with an initial weekly output target of 10,000 units that climbs to 1 million vehicles per year by 2027. Europe's Giga Berlin and Asia's Giga Shanghai will follow suit, reflecting Tesla's ambition to meet localized demand without incurring hefty tariffs on imported Chinese EVs. This geographic diversification not only accelerates delivery timelines but also fortifies the Model 2's eligibility for regional incentives and helps Tesla maintain its lead over competitors who lack comparable economies of scale. Critics argue that the $25,000 long-range version, if it arrives, may carry a premium closer to $28,000 or $30,000. But even that figure pales in comparison to rivals offering sub-300-mile ranges at higher prices. For the majority of drivers, a 250-mile base model suffices for daily needs, and the prospect of a 350-mile variant at the $10,979 price point is enough to dispel range anxiety for most use cases. What clever design underpins the Tesla Model 2's low cost? From its first glance, the Tesla Model 2 represents a radical leap in electric mobility, bringing Tesla's most advanced self-driving hardware, innovative materials and space-efficient design together in one surprisingly affordable package. Despite carrying every hallmark of Tesla's technological prowess, it measures just 3.9 meters long, nearly half a meter shorter than the Model 3, and its compact hatchback form makes navigating narrow city streets, squeezing into tight London parking bays, or threading through congested Sydney lanes effortless. Yet within this smaller footprint, Tesla has meticulously preserved both presence and performance, drawing on styling cues from the Cybertruck and SpaceX spacecraft to create headlights shaped like an angular T. These dual-direction LEDs not only lend a futuristic identity but are engineered to improve nighttime visibility for older drivers, addressing a real safety concern often overlooked by traditional automakers. Underpinning that sleek exterior is a hardened steel body reinforced with Tesla's own plasma shield, scratch-resistant coating developed by Tesla Energy Lab for the Model 2. This advanced finish fends off daily wear and tear and in doing so slashes maintenance expenses for families on tight budgets. In wind tunnel tests, Tesla engineers recorded a 19% improvement in aerodynamic efficiency over the current Model 3, while production trials have already shown a 27% decrease in assembly time per unit and an 18% reduction in the number of exterior parts. By pairing gigacasting techniques with a breakthrough unboxed modular assembly process, where major subassemblies are built separately and then merged into a single frame, Tesla has cut well over $1,000 in cost per car without sacrificing build quality. Inside, the same spirit of surgical precision applies to passenger comfort. A 13-inch touchscreen replaces the 15-inch display of the Model 3, immediately reducing material costs while maintaining Tesla's signature command center. For first-time Tesla buyers, an Elder mode enlarges text and icons, paring the interface down to the 4 essentials: Drive, Call, Map, and Home. Based on thousands of hours of feedback from real owners, the seats themselves are a marvel of ergonomic innovation. Using research from Stanford's robotics lab, Tesla's smart posture technology automatically tunes support zones to each driver's height and spinal curvature, eliminating the fiddly manual levers of conventional car seats. Above, a panoramic glass roof stretches from dash to rear, adding 2 inches of headroom and bathing the cabin in natural light, while UV-blocking side glass shields occupants from 97% of harmful rays. Clean Air 360, Tesla's advanced climate system, neutralizes 99% of PM 2.5 dust and airborne contaminants with its combination of steam-generated sanitization and UVC light, an invaluable feature for passengers with allergies or respiratory conditions. Which feature of the Model 2 excites you most, and why would you trust a $10,979 EV for daily 350-mile drives? Please share your opinion in the comment section below this video. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to explore more exciting information about Tesla EV or Tesla Bot, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also make sure to subscribe to our and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.